Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is project day. So today I start the project of reorganizing and renovating my walk-in closet. So that's what we're getting ready to do. If you're interested in watching this process, then come along for the ride. All right, y'all. So here's the star of the show, and no, I'm not talking about Coda. I purchased 6 of these bad boys from the local Target here. They're not paying me, but I did purchase 6 of these for my closet organization. You purchase how many ever you want to, and it was super easy to assemble. So let's go through it real quick. You want to make sure you're following the instructions on how to assemble this bookcase properly. I know I'll be skipping a few steps, but I promise you, if you follow the instructions, it will turn out just like it's supposed to. Once you have it fully assembled, the great thing about this project, it is fully customizable. You can place it where you want it for your closet. I then took some rods from my local hardware store, and it was time to drill those and put those in place. As you can see, I already have my hangers hanging up. I repeated all of those steps for all 6 of the bookcases. I couldn't wait any longer, guys. I went ahead and hung my clothes up as soon as each one was made. I even had to replace the light to give it a more modern feel. So here is what it looked like after I got everything put together, my clothes put back in there. It made such a huge difference and opened up the space tremendously. I hope you guys were inspired to try it. Let me know in the comment sections what you would like to see next, if anything. And I appreciate all feedback. You have a great day. Be inspired, guys.